Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we are going over a BMW 325 Ci. It is a 2002. There's a big clunking, rattling, and kind of a clicking noise going on somewhere under the intake manifold. I pulled the valve cover off and the spark plugs out, kind of checking everything kind of down below and the timing chain to make sure everything there was good and make sure that it wasn't anything related to that. So we went ahead and changed out some gaskets and some stuff there before sending it off to a specialized BMW shop where they are going to further diagnose what this may be. So we're going to go ahead and get it tightened down. You're going to see here I'm actually taking it back off because I forgot to put the camshaft oiling cover back on. Once I get that put back on, I get everything bolted down and everything looking good. Here in a second, I will be replacing the cabin air filter that goes up on this upper cowl and putting back the wiper blades and making sure all the vacuum hoses, coil packs, and brand new spark plugs are in there, torqued down to spec. All in all, everything was put back well. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys on the next one.